everyone, welcome to Smart Investments Company Analysis episode number 4. When most people hear the term artificial intelligence, the first thing they usually think of is robots. That's because of big budget films and novel weave stories about human-like machines that wreak havoc on Earth. But nothing could be further from the truth. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute tasks, from the most simple to those that are even more complex. AI systems are designed to learn, adapt, and improve their performance over time based on the data they receive and the algorithms they use. AI is continuously evolving to benefit many different industries. Machines are wired using a cross-disciplinary approach based on mathematics, computer science, linguistics, psychology and more. तो आज हम बात करेंगे वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपनीज जिसने AI का यूज़ ऑलरेडी अडॉप्ट कर लिया है और ये दूसरे सेक्टर्स को भी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रही है एंड दैट कंपनी इज़ सेंट लिमिटेड. Cent is an IT-enabled services company with having face value of rupees 10. Cent Limited, formerly known as Infotech Enterprises Limited, is engaged in providing global technology services and solutions, specializing in geospatial engineering design, IT solutions and data analytics. तो अब बात करते हैं कंपनी के फाइनेंशियल्स की. सेंट लिमिटेड का मार्केट कैप 10,113 करोड़ है और इसका 52 वीक हाई 966.30 है और 52 वीक लो 720 है. This is one of the leading companies in the field of AI and other IT services industries. Past 3 years में it has given a return of 100.82% as compared to Sensex, which rose by 47.90% and a 101.29% return compared to 48.02% rise in Nifty. AI के रिलेटेड एनालिसिस पे हमने ये पूरा एक वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोड किया है. लिंक इज़ इन डिस्क्रिप्शन, डू चेक आउट. कमिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक, अगर कंपनी का लास्ट क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स देखें तो कंपनी की नेट सेल्स वॉज रुपीज़ 1618.20 करोड़ इन दिसंबर 2022, अप बाय 36.74%. क्वार्टरली नेट प्रॉफिट एट रुपीज़ 156 करोड़ इन दिसंबर 2022, अप बाय 18.36%. and EBITDA stands at rupees 310.80 crores in December 2022, up by 32.88% compared to December 2021. सेंट ने हनीवेल के साथ पार्टनरशिप की टू मैन्युफैक्चर द एविएशन इंडस्ट्रीज फर्स्ट क्लाउड कनेक्टेड कॉकपिट सिस्टम, द हनीवेल एंथम. It recently launched an AI-powered framework for automated system and software testing, SciFast, to accelerate the end-to-end test automation. The Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) signed between IIT Hyderabad and Cent is aligned with the government's goal of building a vibrant semiconductor design and innovation ecosystem to enable the emergence of India as a global hub for electronics manufacturing and design. Considering the growth in company's working sector backed by the boost in telecom industry due to 5G rollout across the globe and strong financial performance recorded by the company, the stock is good to have in portfolio for long-term period. Thank you everyone. If you guys like this video, do like, comment, share and follow us on our social media, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. For more such analysis on different companies, check out our research report in new section of our website or application, and you can send in your request for analysis on other companies. You can also subscribe to our services such as SIR, BOSS, जिसमें हम फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस के बेसिस पे स्टॉक रिकमेंडेशंस देते हैं along with the research detailed reports. To subscribe, check out the link in description.